Hello everyone, welcome to Manwar Education. So this video is all about preparation right from final year of graduation of Maharashtra MCA CET. So guys, I hope आप सभी की फाइनल ईयर की ग्रेजुएशन के क्लास चालू हो गए रहेंगे. मोस्टली फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जुलाई या मिड ऑफ जुलाई से वो स्टार्ट होने वाले थे. सो आई होप you all are in the final year of graduation and this is the right time to prepare for MCA entrance as well as your final year of graduation. If you start early your preparation for Maharashtra MCA CET examination, then you have very high chance to get admission in top colleges. So in this video we will discuss how you should start your preparation early for Maharashtra MCA CET. Okay, so before we proceed ahead, we have launched the batches for Maharashtra MCA CET NIM CET for 2022 and 23. So in this batches you will get live classes, books, shortcut tricks, doubt classes will be there, recorded videos will be there, topic test, mock test, WhatsApp group will be made where all the queries of your will be solved by our faculties, 10,000 question for the practice purpose and mentorship by our exam mentors. So what are you waiting guys? Book your seat now. Call on 8828581455 or you can also visit to our website manwaredu.com/MCA entrance. Now guys, let us discuss points for Maharashtra MCA. Very first we will discuss about syllabus and paper pattern. After that we will discuss strategies for Maharashtra MCA CET exam preparation. After that we will discuss study material, mock test and revision, which is very important. Motivation, yes, this is the year जहाँ पे आपको graduation as well as entrance exam के लिए prepare करना है. So in this time बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि you feel low, you feel demotivated. Then motivation is also one of the key factor which will boost your preparation and which will keep you going for exam preparation. Okay, and after that we will also see top MCA colleges in Maharashtra. Okay, so let us discuss guys one by one. So very first we will discuss about syllabus, paper pattern for Maharashtra MCA CET examination. In this examination, sections which include mathematics and statistics, the number of question they have 30 and on right answer you will get 2 marks, and if you marking wrong so minus 0.5 will be there, and maximum marks is 60. Logical and abstract reasoning it will carry 30 marks, and right answer again it will give you 2 marks, and wrong answer minus 0.5 is negative mark and maximum mark is 60. English comprehension and verbal ability, number of question is 20, right answer it will give you 2 marks and wrong answer minus 0.5, maximum marks is 40 marks. After that computer concept, yes MCA है, master in computer application का exam है, then computer concept तो होगा ही, so it will also carry 20 question. If you are marking right answer then you will get 2 marks and negative is 0.5 and maximum marks is 40 marks. So total is 200 marks का आपका paper होगा and 100 questions will be there for 90 minutes. Okay, and exam will be CBT mode. So this is all about syllabus and paper pattern. Now let us discuss about strategies for Maharashtra MCA CET exam preparation. क्या क्या चीज़ें आपको ज़रूरी है for exam preparation, in this we will discuss. Now understand the syllabus first. Complete understanding of the syllabus is required. आपको मैथ्स एंड स्टैट्स में क्या पढ़ना है, कंप्यूटर कॉन्सेप्ट में क्या पढ़ना है, इंग्लिश में क्या पढ़ना है, ये सारी चीज़ें आपको डिटेल में पता होनी चाहिए. सो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द सिलेबस वेरी वेल. आफ्टर दैट टाइम टेबल. एवरी इंडिविजुअल का डिफरेंट अप्रोच ऑफ लर्निंग होता है एंड टाइम टेबल आप उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही बनाते हैं. लाइक बहुत सारे इंडिविजुअल्स जो होते हैं वो सुबह में पढ़ते हैं, बहुत सारे रात में पढ़ते. सो यू कैन मेक योर टाइम टेबल अकॉर्डिंग टू योर कंफर्टेबल. Okay, and you need to balance your timetable with graduation year as well as your MCA entrance exam preparation. Okay, after this start your preparation for the exam. Now understanding of the syllabus is completed, timetable is completed, then you need to start your exam preparation. Study material and mock test. Now you have started your preparation, then what are the things are required and what are the things you need to do for exam preparation. Very important, books and study material. Yes, right study material and proper guidance is required to crack any entrance examination. So you can join our online program for right study material as well as proper guidance. Okay, after that mock test and topic test. So with the help of mock test, continuous evaluation होगा आपका, and in which are the sections you are strong and in which are the sections you are weak, you will come to know. Complete analysis होगा, and after giving number of mock tests you will be confident for examination. So this is the advantage of giving mock test. And final is revision. Very important this is, because if you are studying thoroughly full year and if you are not revising, then it is difficult to crack exam, because revision is the key. Revision is very important. Now continuous motivation is required, because many of the time it has happened in between the exam preparation, student stop doing preparation, and it is due to lack of motivation and they feel pressure about the examination. So at Maneuver, what we do, we have mentors, so you can talk to your mentors. They will help you, they will guide you, they will motivate you for exam preparation. So this is how you can crack the exam and you can get the success. After this, top MCA colleges in Maharashtra. The ultimate goal of yours, that to get in top MCA colleges like VJTI is there, SPIT is there, Vivekananda Institute of Technology is there, Vishwakarma Institute of Technology is there, Mumbai Educational Trust is there, KJ Somaiya is there. These are some few top colleges for MCA where you can get admission and you can pursue your MCA course. Okay, now if you want to prepare for MCA entrance for 2022 and 23, then you can join our online and live classes. You can call to our board line number, our team will help you. If you want classroom coaching, so we have classroom coaching at Mumbai. Our branches are at Borivali, Vasai, Dadar. You can also visit to our website. You can also follow us on our social media handles for exam updates and notification. Guys, link of all the social media handles, it is given into the description box. So do check the description box. This is all about in this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, prepare well. All the best for your preparation. Thank you.